Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean and this is our nightly video report for Tuesday, January 3rd, 2017. We had a little bit of everything today. I said last night that I was the 15-minute charts were suggesting that we could get some kind of bounce today, and then the 60-minute charts are saying that it should fail and we should come back down, but yet the dailies are saying that once that low is made, we should make new all-time highs. So here is the daily chart, and you can see we don't have any bearish divergences. Now again, this is just a roadmap. This isn't set in stone. It just would, if we're looking off of a say a technical end of things, any kind of pullback here should make new highs, and then from there that's going to set up the bearish divergences like we've seen with every other drop. Taking a look at the 60-minute chart, you can see that we don't have any bullish divergences that are in place from here. So that's suggesting that whatever bounce, whether it's done right now or they have to move up a little bit more, but if this was the high, then we should come back down and take these lows out, excuse me, and this is going to set up the bullish divergences. So we have the moving average where we found buyers on Friday, and then from there they gapped it up today. But after the initial gap up, we saw there's a lot of selling that went on, and it was really the last 20 minutes that we saw the buyers step in and bring us back to plus 19, where we didn't make it back above these highs right here. So it was a good day for the bulls, but overall the majority of the day we saw selling. So maybe if we're just trying to work out patterns, it could be this is an A, B, and then we're going to make another push up above these highs here and make the wave C, and then from there this pattern would anticipate that we would have a push below these lows here. So that would be the perfect scenario. And yesterday, just to kind of give you an idea of how I'm kind of working this all out, is the 15-minute here from Friday. We saw the bullish divergences, so that was giving us a clue that we should see some type of bounce today, and we got that. It just they took it in a huge gap on it, but from then we saw the selling. So again, they could bring us above and maybe get up to this 2267 level. I had said, if you wanted to take a short position, you can look anywhere in between the 2254 and the 2266, and then just put a stop above at the 2280. So you have your measured risk on it. And it was actually, we saw selling, and if we kept going, it would have, the entry part of it, if you took it, would have been perfect. But we're back here at the moving average. So if they head higher, we're going to get sell signals on the 15-minute chart, and we already know that the 60-minute is looking for another push lower. So it's we have to kind of wait and see how it goes and see what the bulls have what the market has planned, because if we get higher up here, then it still fits the profile because we're going to get the bearish divergences, and then the 60 minutes are looking for us to go lower. And if that plays out, it's really going to set up a really good buying opportunity because the dailies are telling us that we're going above these highs. So today had a lot of action. I'm still remaining neutral for right now. I think we're going to get a more concrete, signals in the coming weeks. But right now, keep an open mind because, as I said, the pattern is suggesting that whatever this rally right here is going to fail, and we're going to take out the lows here, which would then set up the bullish divergences. Now, it doesn't have to be like this. We've seen these markets move without bullish or bearish divergences. But the only thing that I can look at is from a technical basis, and until it's proven wrong, then you just follow it. And right now, it's still in play, and that's what I'm going to be looking at. So tomorrow, if we go above today's highs, it's going to set up some bearish divergences. You could probably look to short, and then just use that 2280 as a stop. And once we get below these lows here at the 2233, you can look to buy. So with that, let's see what plays out tomorrow, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.